So, in order for you guys to get rich, you need to figure out how to make money in your sleep. And we're going to talk about how you can do that. No, we're not going to be talking about stocks and all this stuff because pretty much everybody knows that that's how you can get rich over time, overnight. We're going to talk about what you guys can do, like starting today, to get rich overnight. Okay? But not tonight, but like overnight, because you're going to be making money overnight. All right, let's talk about it.
What's up, guys? This is Roughneck Actual, and you have reached the Roughnecks Ecom channel. If you want to learn how to make money online or offline, then you need to be right here. I'm a 7-figure Amazon seller. I'm also an honorably discharged Air Force veteran. Graduated from Penn State and started a career as a software engineer and leveraged that to build my businesses. If you guys have any questions on how to make money, you're going to find all your answers right here, so stay tuned.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So glad to see you Roughnecks here, man. It is awesome to have you back. All right, awesome to have you back, okay? If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and click that little notification bell to get all the latest and greatest. If you guys are my regulars, hit that like button, man. You guys know what to do. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead. Let's talk about how you can get rich seemingly overnight. Now, when it comes to making money, to getting rich, most people don't know how that works. Okay, they have no clue. All right, I was one of them people. I didn't know how it worked. My mentor, Carmelo, set me down and he's like, look, you got to figure out what you're good at, how it can help people, and you got to be able to scale it. He's like, anyone can make money. Anyone can make money. You can go get a job at McDonald's today, go make some money. But how do you scale that money? And I'm like, oh, I don't know, become the manager at McDonald's. He's like, no, that's not how you scale that money. Okay, you're making more money, but you're not scaling it. He's like, you scale it by owning multiple McDonald's. Okay, he's like, being a fry cook, you're making money. Anyone can do it, but scaling money is what separates the people that make money to the people that get rich and then become wealthy. Because you get rich first and then you become wealthy. All right, so how do you guys do that? All right, everyone, a lot of people on the interwebs are going to tell you stocks, bonds, invest in crypto, which, you guys should. Okay, you should do these things because it can and more often times will make you money. But if you're not necessarily good at that stuff, or you're scared, or you don't trust those institutions, then how do you, make money in your sleep? How do you do it? By automating and delegating, guys. Automating and delegating. Okay, you guys know I'm all about automate all the things. Everything from OnlyFans to Amazon to everything. The process is, my barbershop is essentially automated now. Like, I don't have to show up near as much. I go get a haircut and I check on things from time to time. But other than that, the manager takes care of everything. The barbers are dope. They handle all their stuff. It's pretty much it. I don't really have to worry about much, okay? I get to sit back and kind of, just play my part, play my role, shoot more content, do whatever, okay? When you guys are getting into the swing of things, okay, you're essentially, exchanging your time for money, okay? When you build your business, you're going to have to wear many hats. You're not just going to be the boss. You're probably going to be the marketing team. You're probably going to be the janitor if you have a physical business. You're probably going to be the chef or whatever. You're going to be the person that's wearing many hats to get your business up and running and to make it work. But you'll never get beyond a certain point unless you automate and delegate. And the way you delegate is by finding individuals who can handle some of the workload, okay? So first, you got to find individuals that can handle some of that workload, all right? So case in point, my man behind the camera, let's say he wants to make more money than what he's making. He's like, you know what, you pay me well, but I want to make that much money from each client that I have. But I don't have the time because I'm stuck videotaping you, here in studio. Don't have time. Well, he could find a lighting person like, he has. He could find other videographers who have a decent talent. Maybe they have an eye similar to his. He can set them up and be like, all right, you can shoot his content, and then he can focus on finding other clients. So he has that one person shooting content, and then let's say that person isn't good at editing. Well, now he has an editor. Okay, so now he hires an editor. So the money that I'm paying him, now he uses to hire a team. He hires an editor. He hires another videographer, maybe a lighting person or a grip, as they're called. I want to say. Maybe he's doing all these different things. He's delegating. He's delegating what he would do. Because right now, He does the shooting, he does the editing and thumbnails and all that stuff. Well, over time, he's gonna start delegating more, and then he's just gonna oversee the business. And then you automate the process by training someone to handle the delegation, okay? Now, what has he done? He has started making money in his sleep. That is how you guys make money in your sleep. You gotta delegate and then automate. Okay, so while you're delegating, you're still gonna be the person that's kind of in the know and be like, hey guys, you need to do this and this and this. This is how stuff is done, so on and so forth. But once you automate the process, you put someone in place that kind of oversees it so that way you don't have to be there every day. Okay, delegate, automate. That is what you need. You need to delegate and automate. Once you have that down, you can make money in your sleep. I am making money right now. Okay, I am making money right now. And how am I doing that? Okay, I'm gonna break down the process as to how a lot of the stuff that I do works. You know, I explained the barbershop situation. The barbers are they're cutting hair right now as we speak. Am I there? No, I am not. I am here shooting content for you lovely people, making sure that you smash the like button and all that. Okay, when it comes to the girls, you know, that I manage for OnlyFans, I am not there at their homes while they're shooting. Okay, we had a photo shoot yesterday. Okay, a smaller one, but we have a real big one coming next week. But you know, my man behind the camera, he was there. My photographer was there. I didn't have to be there. You know, didn't have to be there. Not at all. Not even one bit. It was amazing. But photos and videos were still getting done. Okay, now the other girls, when they fly in, it's going to be something similar. The account managers. You know, I have supervisors for the account managers that do all the posting and stuff like that. I don't have to train the new account managers because the supervisors train all of the other managers to handle all that. They can set up folders, they can do all these things. So now I've delegated and now have automated somewhat. Okay, there's still a little bit that I need to do to fully automate it to where I just step back and then I do, you know, I get the marketing team to handle all the marketing part. So I step back, all the marketing is handled there. Step back, marketing here. Okay, that is essentially how I have automated my OnlyFans automation process. Like automation for the girls in a sense, but they're shooting content. I don't have to shoot the content. I don't have to be there. They're shooting the content, uploading it, account managers are handling everything, and then the supervisors are handling that. So the business is getting to the point where it can kind of run itself. You know, it'll be a few months before it's, you know, pretty much hands off for me. When it comes to my Amazon, you know, automation is something similar. I have project managers that I interface with, you know, that, you know, on a fairly regular basis. Well, I interface with one in particular, but then I have my other project managers that will feed the information to him, and then me and Julius have a discussion. We used to, you know, I mean, we still have daily scrums, but for the most part, my information comes directly from my guy, you know, from my head project manager, and then everything else is filtered up through there. Okay, like I handle, you know, the suppliers and things like that, and even then, you know, I have assistants to help me with that. You know, they help me do these different things so that way I'm not completely farmed out. You know, I built out a marketing team that can handle, you know, the workload for me so I don't have to answer all of the freaking calls. As much as I love talking to y'all, I just don't have the time to take 30-hour-long phone calls every single day. You know, some people are serious, some people aren't. I don't have the time to determine who is and who isn't. Okay, I know a lot of people want to talk, I want to talk to the person in charge. That's cool, but when you go to McDonald's, do you talk to the person in charge? When, you know, when you're buying a Big Mac, when you go buy a car, do you talk to the person in charge or do you talk to a salesperson? Do you talk to the manager of the dealership? No, I did not talk to the manager at McLaren when I bought my 600. I talked to my sales guy, Big Bob. And that is who I deal with when it comes to the things that I need to get done. Why? Because the owner of McLaren Philadelphia has automated the processes for himself. That dude oversees, he has people that feeds information up to him. He just oversees the business. He has delegated and automated. Okay, that is how you guys make money in your sleep. Delegate and automate. I cannot stress that enough. I gave you a perfect example with my man behind the camera. Okay, if you guys are photographers and you're trying to go to the next level, let me know. Obviously, you'll get like a marketing team down the line, but you need to find people that are decent, that are coachable. You know, get them to do the jobs that you're currently doing so you can go seek out other, you know, other clients. Like I said, you guys are going to wear many hats in the beginning. but you're gonna start piecing those things together. You're gonna have someone who shoots, someone who edits, a person that can handle lighting and things like that. You're gonna find more clients, and you're gonna be like, okay guys, this is what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna be shooting today, you're gonna be doing this person, this person, this person. And you piece it all together, and that's how you build a business that makes you money overnight. So even if you continue to have your day job, you have a business in the background that's running that continuously makes you money. Okay, it's something similar to what I did when I was still at my software engineering job. You know, I probably should have left years ago. All right, I was so freaking busy and I was burning myself out. But I loved what I did, and I just didn't see the need to leave because what we did is very, very important to the American population and their safety. So for me, it was all about the mission. But at some point, I knew that I was going to have to give it up, and I did. But I still had my businesses running in the background where I could continuously make money at my day job and with my businesses. That is what you guys need to be focused on, because if you have one stream of income, you are one stream of income away from being homeless, from being a hobo. If you're a man and you end up losing your job, ladies will look at you slightly different, okay? It's not pretty for a man who loses his job and cannot provide, all right? I'm just gonna be honest and be real with y'all, okay? I had that situation when I got out of the military, and I was, you know, a whippersnapper trying to get into the game, and I was, you know, making my ends meet with my GI Bill money. And, you know, this PYT, this pretty young thing, you know, we was talking, and, you know, she's like, you over here trying to be Superman, you ain't even got a cape, can't even afford a cape. I felt that in my feels, my heart, my soul, oh. But here we are today. So if you guys take nothing away from this, you need to delegate and automate, and that is how you're gonna, you know, make money overnight. I've given you plenty of examples. Do not listen to these dudes. Oh, make money overnight. All you gotta do is invest in stocks, which you can, but the average person ain't got enough money to make that much money overnight. But you grow a business and you grow a profitable business, you making bank. I know plenty of people putting away like $1,000 a month into their stocks, and I'm just killing them day over day. I'm like, God, yo, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a day. And these guys are doing that in a month, making 10% on their money over the year. Good business can scale, all right? Good business can scale and can make you money faster, so that way you can put that fast money into slower vehicles that are safer and makes you money over the long haul, okay? So let's go ahead and let's close this out. You guys be safe, be smart. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace out.